Don't have a big garden? Think you need a lot of space to grow vegetables? Think again. If you have a balcony, patio, rooftop, or even a small backyard, you can grow fresh vegetables right in a bucket. In today's video, we'll show you 7 vegetables that grow exceptionally well in buckets and can produce an impressive harvest with just a little care. Let's get started. Tomato. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetables for container gardening. A 4 to 5 gallon bucket works best for tomatoes. Fill it with nutrient-rich potting soil mixed with compost, and make sure the bucket has drainage holes. Place the plant where it gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. As it grows, support it with a stake or tomato cage to keep it healthy and productive. Both hot and sweet peppers grow very well in buckets. A 3-4 gallon container is usually enough. Water only when the soil begins to dry out, and feed the plant with organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. With proper care, a single pepper plant can keep producing for months. Eggplant. Choose at least a 5-gallon bucket for eggplants. They thrive in full sun. And rich, well-draining soil. Once flowering begins, regular feeding with organic fertilizer helps the plant produce large, glossy eggplants throughout the season. Just sprinkle it around the base, like this. This keeps it healthy and productive. Okra is one of the easiest warm-season vegetables to grow. Sow the seeds directly into the bucket and place it in a sunny location. Harvest the pods while they're still young and tender to encourage the plant to keep producing more. If you're looking for a fast-growing vegetable, radishes are an excellent choice. Use a deep bucket filled with loose, soft soil so the roots can develop properly. Most varieties are ready to harvest in just 30 to 45 days. Spinach is perfect for small spaces and offers a generous harvest. Keep the soil consistently moist after sowing the seeds. You can start harvesting the outer leaves in about 30 to 40 days, allowing new leaves to continue growing. It's a continuous harvest. Cucumbers are thriving. Use a 5-gallon bucket or larger for harvesting. Install a trellis for the vines to climb. With regular watering and plenty of sunlight, your cucumber plant can produce fresh, crisp cucumbers for weeks. Just pick them when they're ready, like this, and the plant will keep on producing. Enjoy your harvest. Essential tips for bucket gardening. Always use buckets with drainage holes. Mix plenty of compost into the soil. Provide 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Avoid overwatering. Feed your plants with organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Those are 7 vegetables you can easily grow in buckets. Whether you have a large garden or just a small balcony, container gardening makes it possible to enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables almost anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more easy gardening tips and growing guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.